For most of us, the simple act of taking out the trash is the last time we'll think about the waste we generated that week. But what we don't see is the true impact of collecting and disposing over 50 billion tons of waste a year. In the industrialized world, we bury our garbage, or we burn it in incinerators, producing dangerous dioxins and other hazardous pollutants. In the developing world, garbage is mostly dumped in open pits, where it breaks down into methane, a greenhouse gas considered 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide, and leachate, a toxic sludge. Or it's dumped into rivers and the sea, where it causes catastrophic damage to the ecosystem. Globally, we are trying to deal with this massive problem, and it's only going to get worse. By 2050, the world is expected to generate 3.4 billion tons of waste annually, increasing drastically from today's 2 billion tons. It's clear that we need a solution that helps to solve the waste problem. Full Cycle's mission is to profitably reverse climate change, starting by converting our costly waste problem into clean, valuable fuel that can be used to power communities around the world. Full Cycle's portfolio company Synova is revolutionizing the waste-to-value industry and quickly becoming the recognized leader in this space. With Fortune 50 investors like Caterpillar's venture arm and support from the world's largest EPCs, here's how it works. Garbage is collected in the traditional way, but rather than being taken to a landfill or incinerator, it is taken to a Synova plant. The waste is then sorted. Recyclables are sent to a recycling center, and the remaining material is processed into a feedstock and sent to the Synova gasification unit. There, the feedstock is heated and starved of oxygen. Unlike incineration, which burns the material, this clean gasification process produces a gas that contains the high-energy molecules needed for energy production. However, the gas also contains many contaminants. Fortunately, Synova has a unique solution for these problems using their proprietary gas cleaning technology, provided by their Dahlman Renewable Technology division. First, the gas is slowly spun in a mechanical cyclone. Much like a centrifuge, this separates the heavier, coarser ash particles from the gas. The remaining gas is rinsed twice, first with a cooled scrubbing oil to remove the heavy tars, and then rinse again with an absorbing oil to remove the light tars, leaving the remaining gas tar-free. The tars are returned to the gasifier to harness their energy, and the rinsing oils are cleaned and recirculated in the system. This highly efficient proprietary gas cleaning process produces a clean burning synthesis gas, syngas, that can be used to power electricity generating turbines, and in the future, synthesize into many different biofuels or plastics. Diverting waste from landfills, a premier source of man-made methane emissions, means that power generated in Synova waste conversion plants has a smaller carbon footprint than traditional fossil fuel plants. At full deployment, Synova's technology can abate several gigatons of CO2e, as well as generating 10 to 15% of all the world's energy needs, from something we are currently burying in our lands and dumping in our oceans. At Full Cycle, we are committed to altering the business of waste and energy production to create sustainable models that are both environmentally sound and provide a high return on investment. It's time for us to invest and grow our capital by solving the world's environmental problems. It's a responsible way to meet our growing energy needs and helps protect the future of our planet. Full Cycle. Join the solution economy.